Great things. Assalamu alaikum. I found this crazy weird thing. This is to delete map. I gave the these maps you cannot delete, but only administrator can delete. But I gave this directory of these permissions. Users have all rights on that directory, and administrator also. But if I'm a user, I didn't activate the administrator right, so I press this, and then it asks nicely, do you want to rename it because you need administrator permission? I can understand because the directory, the data in that directory is deletable or renameable. But the directory not renameable by normal users. So I just press skip. Then I don't change rename it. But the funny thing is, if I press delete, as a user, it doesn't ask for the administrator permissions. Where is the delete button here? Here's the delete. So as a normal user, this is not administrator. It deleted the file or the directory. It cannot rename. This is a little bit a small bug. I don't have that big of problems with it. Yeah, but if that's mistakes, we always kind of make a directory above it. And then you can say, user just play in this directory, download everything you want. But you have to make it a subdirectory with the user because they can delete this directory. All users don't have that directory anymore to download it. But that was a funny thing. So don't press delete, it just deletes. And if it's too big, I think recycle bin, it won't be even in the recycle bin. So don't try that. Always try on to del on a new directory. I just want to check it. But there was a little bug. It's a double floated. They cannot rename the user cannot rename the directory, but they can delete it. It's a bit of buggy. Not that big buggy. At least you have to know that and those things. But it's handy because if I want to delete this one, let's see. No, I'm gonna try that one. Where's the Alt F? Alt F. It's not that very important. It has the rights. These users cannot delete. If I'm correct, I'm gonna test it here for sureness. Administrator can delete it. Users cannot delete it. So I press. Oh wait, just use this one. Where's the delete? Oh, somewhere. Show more options. Oh, the delete is here. It shows. You can see here there's an administrator I need, so you won't be able to delete it. So if I press this, deleted it. Really? Oops. I'm gonna try to restore it. I will pause it because you see what I'm looking at. Could be girls and those things. That's the thing. Don't press that button. What I just pressed, because for Microsoft it means Microsoft Windows. It means you are giving it administrative permission to delete it if you press this. So don't press the delete button. You will automatically give administrative permission without this thing coming out like this. When I press Control C, I press Control V, then it asks, you will need administrative permission to copy to this folder. I thought I would get you need administrative permission to delete it, and you press continue. But if you see that button, don't press it. Oh, that's a problem. Windows has other things, other way of thinking. But that's good. At least I know that. But normal programs cannot. I've tested with my own application if they can delete with a user level application. And then I cannot delete. It just says your access denied. But if I open it as an administrator application, then it starts deleting. It can delete. But I use it for to remove duplicate files, because I download a lot of things. And sometimes it's the same file, and then it deletes and keeps always one unique file. That's a law in that application. But that was. Let me press this delete button on the keyboard. Then you will get you'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this file. But if you see this button, you are giving administrator permission. So don't try. You must know that if you press that, normally it should show this message box of this question box, they call it or something like that. For but this, if you press it in the menu, you press that thing is deleted, and it's too big. Even recycle bin won't have it. But you will probably get a message box saying this file or directory is too big, and if you press yes, then it will be removed from recycle bin. But there was a funny thing about these delete things. Don't know how I want to post a mix of feedback because I post a lot of errors there. Don't think they will finish it in Windows 11 or ever. But that was it, this video, and greetings. Assalamu alaikum.